It's no secret that Google Search is a go-to tool for millions daily, churning out 8.5 billion searches every day. But what if I told you that you might not be using it to its full potential? In this video, I'll show you some nifty tricks and tips that can make your Google Search experience more efficient and productive. Let's dive in. Here are 10 Google Search tricks that you should be using to get better, more relevant search results. First up, utilizing search operators. Google Search tricks are like hidden gems that can save you time and effort. Suppose you're curious about Leonardo DiCaprio's career. Just type Leonardo DiCaprio plus work in the search bar. The plus symbol tells Google to display results that contain both Leonardo DiCaprio and his work. However, if you're only interested in his life, use the minus symbol instead. So for instance, you could type Leonardo DiCaprio minus work to exclude work-related results. This simple trick allows you to tailor your search and focus on what matters most to you. Next, quotation marks and asterisks. Quotation marks can be a powerful tool in your Google searches, especially when you're looking for an exact phrase. For instance, if you're searching for "there's no place like home," putting it in quotes will ensure that you only get results with that exact phrase. On the other hand, an asterisk can be equally handy. It acts as a wildcard, substituting any word in a phrase and giving you variations of that phrase in your search results. For example, searching for "there's no place like then," asterisks will show you results like "there's no place like here," and "there's no place like this," and many more. So next time you're searching, remember these simple tricks to get the most relevant results. Next trick, using file type searches. Sometimes when you're doing research or studying, you need a specific type of file, like a PDF or a Word document. Luckily, there's a way to narrow down your Google search results to just the type of file you need. For example, let's say you're looking for a PDF file on climate change. Simply type climate change file type :PDF into the search bar. This tells Google to filter out everything but PDFs related to climate change. You can do this with other file types too, like doc for Word documents. This simple tweak can save you time and help you find exactly what you're looking for. Next, accessing cached pages. If a website is down or you can't access it for some reason, you can still view a cached version of the page. To do this, click on the three dots next to the URL in the search results and select Cached. This will show you a snapshot of the page from the last time Google indexed it. This can be especially helpful if you need to access information on a site that's temporarily unavailable, or if you want to see how a page looked in the past. Next tip, site-specific searches. Sometimes you want to search within a specific website. By using the cite operator, you can do just that. For example, if you want to see what Keynet has written about the Apple Vision Pro, you'd type Apple Vision Pro site.cnet.com into the search bar. This will only show you results from CNET's website. This can be useful when you're looking for information on a particular topic and want to see what a specific site has to say about it. Using near me and nearby. Sometimes you want to find something nearby, like a restaurant or store. By adding near me or nearby to your search, Google will show you results that are close to your current location. For example, if you're in the mood for Japanese food, you could search for Japanese food nearby or Japanese food near me. This can be useful when you're traveling or exploring a new area and want to find local businesses and attractions. Next, custom date ranges. If you're looking for information within a specific time frame, you can use Google's custom date range feature. After doing your search, click on Tools and select Any Time. Then choose Custom Range and enter your desired dates. This will narrow down your results to only show pages that were indexed within that time frame. This can be useful when you're researching a topic and want to see the most recent information available. Next, searching in titles and URLs. If you're looking for specific keywords in the titles or URLs of web pages, you can use the allen title then colon and in URL then colon operators. For example, if you want to find pages with climate change in the title, type allen title :climate change into the search bar. This will only show you results that have climate change in the title. Similarly, if you want to find pages with climate change in the URL, type in URL :climate change into the search bar. This will only show you results that have climate change in the URL. These operators can be useful when you're trying to find specific information on a topic. Now for stock market updates. For those interested in the stock market, Google can provide real-time updates on stock prices. Simply enter the ticker symbol for a company, followed by stock. For example, if you want to check on NVIDIA's stock, type NVDA stock into the search bar. This will show you a chart with today's stock prices. This can be a convenient way to keep track of your investments and make informed decisions about buying or selling stocks. It can also be helpful for those who are just starting to learn about the stock market and want to see how different stocks are performing. Now, for even more control over your search results, you can use Google's advanced search feature. This allows you to filter your results by things like location, language, and file type. Simply click on Settings and select Advanced Search to get started. This can be helpful when you're looking for specific information or trying to narrow down your search results. For example, if you're looking for information on a particular topic and only want to see results from educational websites, you can use the Cite operator followed by Edu to only show results from educational websites. This can be a useful tool for students and researchers who are looking for reliable sources of information. So there you have it. 10 Google search tricks you should be using. Some of the best tips and tricks for making the most out of Google search. Hopefully these will help you become a more efficient and effective searcher. If you have any other tips or tricks, feel free to share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos like this one. Happy searching, and remember, the more you know, the better you search.